So now we're going to look at types of bidets. There are 4 that I know of. The first kind is a porcelain bidet. This is kind of your classic bidet. The upside of the porcelain bidet is that it probably works pretty well, but the downside is that it takes a lot of money to buy and a lot of effort and money to install as well. The next type of bidet is called a handheld bidet, and I've had one like this before because I've tried it myself. It's almost like a chrome garden hose handle, and you basically mount it to your wall, so it looks pretty nice. Thing is though, you're mounting it to your wall, so it's like you take it off when you need it, you aim it, you squeeze it, you get the pressurized water, it cleans you up really well, but then it's like you hook it back on the wall after and you get water dripping down, and it just seems kind of unhygienic to put something that you use inside the toilet back on a wall like that. Also, another downside of the handheld bidet is that it's kind of difficult to aim it properly because you have to actually reach into the toilet to do it and to not get water everywhere when you spray. The type of bidet I do recommend and use now, I call a joystick bidet. It's got like kind of a jet engine joystick on it where you press the handle down and it just sprays nice and powerfully, and it's all inside the toilet, all self-contained, so everything stays really clean. It looks really good, and it's really, really simple to install. And last but not least, the electronic bidet. This is the ultimate in the bidet experience. It even has an electronic remote. We're going to go over the features of both of these now, the joystick and the electronic. As you can see, it comes in like one piece. It looks like this. It's designed to fit any toilet, so you don't have to worry about that. It's got dual nozzles for male and female wash, so one for the front, one for the back. The nozzles themselves are self-cleaning, so you don't have to clean them, although every once in a while I wash it with vinegar. The install is really quick and really easy, and they're built to last. The devices are made of metal and ceramic. Another beneficial thing is that it's non-electric, so nothing can really break down. This particular bidet has had 335 customer reviews on Amazon, 4.5 stars, and here's one of the reviews now from an Amazon customer who said, "I received this 3 months ago. I wanted a good testing period before posting. In short, simply a wow and a must-have." If you want to check out this bidet, go to EndAllDisease.com/bidet. Now, here we are, the Cadillac of bidets. This is the electronic inline bidet. So the features on this beauty: a heated seat, heated water, a cool blue nightlight, and get this, 3 different washes, front, rear, and a vortex stream that does both. It's got hydro flush self-cleaning technology and a wireless remote, so you can scan through all the features, turn things on and off as you go. If you want to check out this bidet, go to EndAllDisease.com/ultimate bidet. That's ULTIMATE BIDET. Now, after you're done spraying and cleaning yourself with the bidet, there's no more brown to take care of, if you know what I mean, but you need to dry the area off. I've got a friend in Florida with one of these bidets who dabs with a couple squares of toilet paper, and that'll do. But for me, that wasn't good enough. I want to use as little toilet paper as possible. So what I use are organic cotton and hemp wipes. That way I can give it a good wipe dry, fold it, then wipe any water that made its way onto the seat, then wash and reuse. In my washroom, I do have toilet paper available, which I use to blow my nose, but also for visitors to use when they come over. I don't think it would be right to just have wipes and force people to use those. It'd be kind of strange. A couple features of these organic cotton wipes is they're 45% hemp, 55% organic cotton, and you get 10 cloth wipes, 8 by 8 inches squared. If you want to check out the wipes I use, go to EndAllDisease.com/bidet wipes.
Hey, it's Mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos when they come out. Also, be sure to pick up my 3 free ebooks, one on chemotherapy, the other on sodium bicarbonate for cancer and other diseases, and a red light therapy dose guide by clicking the link in the description below. Last but not least, check out one more video on my channel right here, and I will see you in the next one.